Hi everyone, this is MD Shihab Rehan. Today I'm gonna talk about what I have learned in week 2. In this week, I have learned about software development methodologies. A software development methodology is a way to process the development software. We have learned different methodologies such as waterfall, iterative, spiral, and agile. First, I have learned about waterfall method. Waterfall is simply a step-by-step model. First, we collect the requirement, then we design the system. After that, we develop the system and test it. Finally, we release the software. In a software, we normally finish one after another. Starting store, we also in a waterfall model, we normally finish one step before starting another step. We also learn about iterative method. In this method, we develop the software little by little. We create one version, test it, and then uh, improve it. The process can be happen many times until the software is complete. Another methodology is spiral mode. In this spiral mode is useful for large and risky project. In this model, we plan, development, test, and check possible risks. Yeah, then we repeat the process. In the methodology I found more interesting is agile. Agile is flexible. In the agile, we do not try to build the whole software at once. We divide it into smaller parts. The team development one small parts get tested and they get feedback. Each process continues until the project is completed. Agile is useful, very useful. Agile is very useful because requirements can be changed. For an example, a client may ask for a new feature. In a agile, the development team can make sure the changes more easily. Agile also encourage teamwork and communication. Team members communicate regularly and discuss the work. Now I will explain how I can use in my software engineering this knowledge in my software engineering project. My project is a worker hiring platform. The software will help me to find people such as electrician, plumbers, cleaners, builders, and other workers. For example, a customer can post a job on the system. Worker can see that and contact the customer or contact the customer or submit for a bid. In this project, I think agile is very useful. We can develop the project into small parts. For example, first we create the user registration and login system. Then we can create job posting feature. After that, we can add worker building feature. Then we can add notification, reviews, and rating. After developing each feature, can we can test it. We can also get the feedback from the user and improve the system. For example, the customer say that he doesn't like this part. We can change it because as in this agile methodologies is smaller into parts, so we can easily fix that part. This will also help us problem easily. It also make project lot more easier to manage. From this week, I have learned how to choose software or how to choose methodology is very important. It depends on the which job are you try to finding. Thank you so much.